Family is not just a word, it's a feeling. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. A little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. Family first, no matter what. No family is perfect. We argue, we fight, we even stop talking to each other at times. But in the end, family is family. The love will always be there. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Prayer for family. May my family be protected from harm, misfortune, and sadness. May we enjoy the privilege of spending time together to share joy, celebrate happy occasions, and to be there for each other when there is need for comfort. May good health prevail and may there be ever present faith in God, mercy, and grace. Family is anyone who says, "Take my hand and we will get through this together." The family is the center of life and it is the key to eternal happiness. Real family does not come from your blood, it is the people standing beside you when no one is else. Having someone to love is family, having some place to go is home, having both is a blessing. Family is not an important thing, it's everything. A unit of people that love and support each other through good and bad times. You don't choose your family, they are God's gift to you, as you are to them. Family is not defined only by last names or by blood, it's defined by commitment and by love. It means showing up when they need it most, it means having each other's back. It means choosing to love each other even on those days when you are struggle to like each other. It means never giving up on each other. Family is like music, some high notes, some low notes, but always a beautiful song. Family is everything and we are not perfect. We see the best and worst of each other. But one thing is certain, our ability to love and forgive each other keeps us together. In the climb of life, family is the team that keeps you going. The best memories are made around the family table. Family joy is built on the small, everyday acts of love and respect we share. When your children desire to talk to you and share their problems with you, stop everything and listen to them. There is nothing more important than that. My greatest treasure is my family. We may not to be perfect, but I love them with all my heart. If you want to change the world, go home and love your family. A family doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be united. Family is everything. Time together as a family is a gift. The best thing about memories is making them with family. Family is not about blood, it's about who is willing to hold your hand when you need it most. Being a family means you are a part of something very wonderful. It means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life. A jealous family member is more dangerous than a hateful enemy. I come from a family where cousins grew up with you like brothers and sisters. We had the best times. Other things may change us, but we start and end with family. In time of test, family is best. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but a memory is priceless. My first priority is time with my family. Family time is not a luxury, it's a necessity for the soul. Being a family means you are a part of something very wonderful. It means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life. My family is my number one priority. Not every family is a loving family, some are just a group of toxic people. Give your family your best, not your leftovers. Love them more than you love your career, money, or hobbies. That other stuff can't love you back. If you are too busy to enjoy quality time with your family, then you need to take a look at your priorities. Work will always be there, but your loved ones may not. Love your family. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. Family is the ultimate source of strength and resilience. Together, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Other things may change us, but we start and end with the family. The strength of a family, like the strength of an army, is in its loyalty to each other.